Hello, Sherry. This is Francisco, or they call me Cisco also for short, from Amplified Digital Marketing. I spoke with Autumn earlier this morning, and I promised that I would send you over a video just going over your website, doing a small website audit, just giving you some tips and tricks as far as what you can be doing online to outbeat your competition and just have a stronger digital presence, which could result in more revenue for the company. So I'm going to go ahead and dive right in, Sherry. So some of the things that I look at on any given website is I'm looking for content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? But I'm also looking for keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So right away, this is what I'm looking for. Air conditioning and heating services in Orlando. So that's a solid keyword, and these are like buyer intent keywords, right? The reason being is because anybody that is typing into Google or looking for air conditioning and heating services Orlando is because they're wanting to get serviced. They want that type of support for their home or for their business. So you're going to get you're more likely going to get calls that are truly qualified that want your help. Okay, so these are the type of words that I'm looking for. Just your services, what you offer, and then the city. Now, you want to place these keywords throughout your website. Okay, because you want to tell Google exactly what terms or what keywords you want to be found for. Now, let's just dive into the next tab here. So this tab and this program that I use is called Ahrefs because it helps me understand how well your website is performing. Okay, so it's Greensenergy.com. So I'm going to jump over to this section. So this section helps me understand, one, this is your strength. Okay, you're currently being indexed at 32, which is awesome, but this is your trustworthy score. How trustworthy is your website? And you're currently being indexed at 11. Some of the things that impact these scores are your backlinks. You currently have over 1,000 backlinks with 184 referring domains. Now, hey, backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these backlinks or these links, they act like an endorsement for your website. And you're basically building trust with Google, and they're going to vouch for you. Okay, now, so one thing to note is not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to get relevant backlinks that are strong. Remember, and what I mean about strong is when these specific scores are high, you want to get those backlinks that are within your industry. Okay, you're in the HVAC and fuel services industry. So if you are, for example, were to get a backlink from Pizza Hut, those type of backlinks can hinder your overall power or performance of your website, which would be these scores. The last thing I want to go over here on Ahrefs is your keywords. What type of keywords are you currently being indexed? Okay, so I'm gonna jump right into here. Let's see if, give me one sec. Here we go. So you're currently being indexed with over 4,000 keywords. Now, what I'm looking for is exactly this right here, okay? Orlando air conditioning repair. Your volume currently is at 400, which is great, okay? And what this means is that 400, what that means is that approximately 400 folks are searching for this every single month, okay? Orlando air conditioning repair. 450 search for this every single month. So keep up the great work on that because this is what you need to be indexed. But now let's just see what positions you're currently at. But before I do that, let's just dive into your competition, Del Air. So once again, I'm looking for keywords. Do they have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And let's just take this company and let's put it into Ahrefs. Now look, this is their score. This is their strength at 13. They're being indexed at 13 with their trustful at 31. But now you're wondering, wow, they only have 7 backlinks and 7 referring domains. Well, remember what I noted when not all backlinks are created equal? That makes a huge difference. Yes, you can have over 1,000, 2,000, but if those links are weak, these 7 could potentially outbeat all of them. That's just a scenario. We would have to dive in a lot deeper to truly understand that. But there's a lot more factors that play into place. Now, let's look at what organic keywords they're placing, okay, and what they're emphasizing. So look, Orlando air conditioning volume 450. Now, they also have different ones, okay? AC repair, Orlando, Florida 300. Now, let's just take this particular keyword and type it into Google and let's see what pops up. Okay, so right away what I'm looking at is I'm looking at this section here. So this is the Google guarantee or the Google ad section, which is really good, right? Because these folks, they already appeared on the top pages of Google. So if you just hover over it, if you call them, they're going to get charged. But you know what? They're getting a call. You know what I'm saying? They're getting a call. They're getting potential clients. So that one call or whatever they're spending is going to be worth it, right? Because you know your profit margins. Everyone knows their profit margins. So they know the value of having Google ads. So this is, if you're not currently doing this, this is something that you can as well. Now, the second thing which is my favorite, is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite, because in this section here, 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Some of the ways that you can increase your rankings is, one, getting reviews. Okay, responding to those reviews, optimizing your content correctly, optimizing your photos, and then just updating your customers on your Google My Business update section. The last thing that I want to show you here is the organic listings, basically companies that Google tends to rank them higher than others. Okay, and that's based on what I mentioned, right? Their keywords and their strengths and things like that. So we have Del Air, and then we have Frank, and we have Yelp, and then we also have Cool Today. So those are the top four rankings for Orlando air conditioning repair. Granted, there's more, but like I said, that's just one piece of the puzzle where you can dominate your entire real estate on Google. Now, Sherry, if this information was of value to you, please let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Email me back. We can also talk over the phone or via text message, whatever you would like. I would love your thoughts. Like I said, no harm, no foul. There's no strings attached to this video. I would just love to get your thoughts. I just love doing this, guiding businesses to grow. So anyhow, thank you for your time, Sherry, and we'll talk to you soon.